Project management fundamentally is the application of tools, techniques, and processes to assist in the completion of a project. Hi, my name is Mel Slater, and I'm an assistant professor of project management at Columbia Basin College. The unique thing about the project management program at CBC is the fact that we have like a stair-step approach or a stackable approach to our degree program. We can start you out in a certificate program, which takes a year to attain, and then you can continue on in another year, attain an Associates of Applied Science degree. And then you could apply for the Bachelor of Applied Science degree program and continue on and pursue that in another 2 years. So it's a 4-year program, just like at any other university. The unique thing about this program is that it really is a diamond of the Pacific Northwest in the fact that we have a Project Management Institute sanctioning of our program. And that is a national and globally recognized accreditation that our students can go anywhere in the world and practice and be recognized.
Hello, my name is Melissa Torres. I'm a graduate from Columbia Basin College, where I earned a BAS degree in project management in 2015. I chose to earn my degree at CBC because it provided a local opportunity that was also affordable. It was one that allowed me to work while going to college and allowed me to pay my way through school and graduate without any student loan debt. My degree from CBC has helped me be successful in my current position by giving me a well-rounded education and foundation to identify problems and bring about solutions. One thing about going through CBC's project management program is you learn a lot about the project life cycle, all the phases and all the functional areas that go into making a project successful. And by having that foundation, you're able to identify operational or functional gaps within any organization or company and help to close those gaps and improve efficiency.
The CBC project management program is really special because out of 7 colleges across the United States, we are one of 7 that offer our program completely 100% online. We are also one of 2 on the Pacific side of the United States of America that has this sanctioned degree program. We are one of the #1 colleges in the United States for project management.
Hello, my name is Barrett. I graduated from CBC in 2018 with my BAS degree in project management. I chose to get my degree at CBC for multiple reasons, the first of which would be proximity. I mean, I've lived here my entire life, and so having a college of this caliber, this local, especially at this price point, was something that really appealed to me. I came here with the intention of being actually within the automotive program. I started there. I found that there was areas of my work that I could improve upon, so I wanted to come back and get a little bit more of an understanding within the confines of project management and how I could apply that to my occupation. Or the things that I like best about the project management program within CBC revolved around the applicable knowledge that the staff had and how they were able to coach you through various topics without having to rely too much on the text and really be able to drive home the practical application of the material. The project management degree from CBC has helped me to be successful in my field by really allowing me to look at the whole picture, really elevating my understanding of what I'm doing.
My advice to students considering earning a project management degree from CBC would be to 100% just do it. It's a great program. You won't be sorry. You won't regret it. I fully support it, and I think that you'll find that CBC's project management program is going to be the framework that will set you up for success.
CBC is the best choice because we are affordable. We have small class sizes so that we can spend more time with each student and give them the most attention we can to make sure that they're getting the best education. And we have a wonderful infrastructure and an online environment that is bar none, one of the best. And you have every capability in front of you to succeed.